In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a block on Squarespace. Starting off with the basics, Squarespace is a powerful platform that allows you to create beautiful websites through a simple, user-friendly interface. One of the key features of Squarespace is its block system, which enables you to add various types of content to your website easily. Whether you're looking to add text, images, or even videos, Squarespace has got you covered with its diverse range of blocks. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to the creative process. Squarespace offers several login methods, but for simplicity and efficiency, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This feature allows you to use your existing Google account to access Squarespace, saving you the hassle of remembering another password. After choosing to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. If you have more than one account, make sure you pick the one you want associated with your Squarespace site. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to a dashboard showcasing all the websites linked to your account. Here, find the website you wish to edit and click on it. This action will bring you into the back end of your Squarespace website, where the real fun begins. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's focus on adding a new block to your website. To do this, you'll need to go to a specific page within your site where you want the new block to appear. Squarespace's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate to your website's backend directly from your dashboard by clicking on the link that takes you to the website configuration page. Once you're on the page where you want to add your new block, look for the Add Block button. This button might be represented differently depending on the layout you're using, but it typically resembles a plus sign or has a text label indicating that it allows you to add new content. Upon clicking the Add Block button, you'll be greeted with a range of block options. Squarespace offers a plethora of block types catering to various content needs. You might see options for adding text, images, videos, buttons, or even custom code blocks. Take a moment to explore the different blocks available and select the one that best suits the content you wish to add. For instance, choose the image block if you want to incorporate a stunning visual, or the text block for adding paragraphs of text. After selecting your desired block, you'll be taken through a series of prompts to customize its content. For instance, uploading an image or typing in text. Squarespace's editor is quite intuitive, so feel free to play around with the settings to get your content looking just the way you want it. Finally, the last step in the process is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is often located at the top or bottom of the editor interface. Clicking this will commit your changes, effectively adding the new block to your website. Remember, Squarespace is all about letting your creativity flow. Don't hesitate to experiment with different block types and configurations until you find the perfect match for your vision. The platform is designed to be flexible and forgiving, allowing you to undo changes or tweak your layout until everything looks just right. In conclusion, adding a block in Squarespace is a straightforward process that opens up myriad possibilities for customizing your website. By following the steps outlined today, from logging in using Google, navigating to your website, choosing the page to add your block, selecting the block type, customizing its content, to finally saving your changes, you're now equipped to enhance your Squarespace site in exciting new ways. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive into Squarespace and start bringing your unique ideas to life with ease. Whether you're building a portfolio, a business website, or a personal blog, the power of Squarespace blocks will enable you to create something truly special. Happy creating!